Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, I'm diving into something crucial for your career growth in the digital age: cybersecurity certifications. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up, these credentials can pave the way for a brighter future in cybersecurity. First up, let's talk about certifications for beginners. If you're new to the field, consider starting with Security Plus, GIAC Information Security Fundamentals, or GISF, and System Security Certified Practitioner, or SSCP. These certifications lay the groundwork, equipping you with fundamental skills and knowledge to kickstart your journey. Now, for those of you who are seasoned pros, aim higher with advanced certifications like Certified Information Systems Security Professional, CISSP, Certified Information Systems Auditor, CISA, and Certified Ethical Hacker, CEH. These are designed for experienced professionals offering deep dives into specialized areas and validating your expert-level skills. Why should you invest in these certifications? First and foremost, they open doors to increased job opportunities. In a competitive job market, having these certifications can make you stand out to employers. Not to mention, advanced certifications can significantly heighten your promotion potential, leading to higher-level positions with greater responsibilities. And if you're thinking about making a career switch, these certifications can be your ticket into the cybersecurity realm. But what does the certification process look like? Generally, it involves passing a rigorous exam, and some certifications might also require relevant work experience. The timelines can vary. Some certifications might take a few months of preparation, while others could demand years of experience. Now, a quick word on certifications versus certificates. Certifications are professional credentials issued by independent organizations like ISC2 or CompTIA. They validate your skills and expertise in the field. On the other hand, certificates are educational qualifications from academic institutions, indicating the completion of specific coursework. While certificates are great for beginners, certifications carry more weight in the professional world. To wrap it up, earning cybersecurity certifications can be a game changer for your career. They not only boost your qualifications for specialized roles, but also enhance your earning potential. So, whether you're just stepping into the world of cybersecurity or looking to advance your career, the right certification can make all the difference. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Catch you next time.